Welcome to AP Heritage on YouTube. The arch bridge on the river Godavari at Rajahmundry, built by the Hindustan Construction Company for the Indian Railways, was designed by Bureau BBR Switzerland and checked by Leonard Andrea and Partners Germany. Construction on the bridge began in 1991 and lasted till 1997. It was commissioned for passenger traffic in March 1997 and became fully operational for running trains by the Indian Railways from 2003. Rodcom Railway Bridge. This bridge is longest of its kind in Asia and second longest in the world. Its total length is 4.732 kilometers. Finished in 1972 and inaugurated by the President of India Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad. Its total construction cost is 630 millions in those days. Locally it is called Kovvur Bridge by people of Rajahmundry as it connects Rajahmundry city with Kovvur town. It's also the most important connecting point of agriculturally rich East and West Godavari districts. This beautiful town Rajahmundry had known as Rajamahendri in earlier days. This river Godavari is also known as Dakshin Ganga. Between these two bridges, ISKCON Temple, River Bay Resorts, Ayyappa Temple and Water Park. Besides it, Godavari Ghat. It is nearby old Rodcom Railway Bridge. And also Raghavendra Temple, PV Narasimha Rao Park, Markandeya Temple, Sivalayam, Pushkar Ghat at Godavari Band. It is nearby Arch Bridge. Thank you for watching. For more heritage and cultural videos, please subscribe AP Heritage on YouTube. Thank you once again.